Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a village scenery easily on oil pastel. I want to introduce my art material 2B or 4B pencil for drawing, some glass marking pencil, oil pastel and art paper also. At first I am drawing the rough sketch of the composition. Please follow my drawing step by step. Now I am drawing a horizon line at the middle of the page. This is sky and this is land. Now I draw the figure little bit left position. At first I am drawing alphabet T, a long T. Now this is the pot for water. 1 and 1 makes 11. I apply 11 here for neck. Then joined with curved line. Next L, the alphabet L, the reverse L for shoulder. Two diagonal line for hands, and this is symmetrical drawing, so both side has to be same. Now you can measure with the help of divider. My earnest request to the viewers of my channel, watch this video till end. Don't skip the video. You can follow my drawing step by step. Now I erase extra line. This is the hairline, the upside down V. C for ears, reverse C for opposite ear, two curved line for eyebrows. Remember, both side has to be same. This is the alphabet Y. I used here alphabet Y. If you are enjoying my work, then please click the like button, subscribe and share my channel, and press the bell icon to get regular notification for upcoming video. I finished my structure of the human figure. Now I focus on landscape. Here is a rough sketch of tree and a man is sitting under the tree. So I draw upside down the U shape and another U shape for the legs. Now the far away bushes. I finish my rough sketch. Now I erase all the guidelines. This process specially have to draw with single line. It is very useful for beginners. Now my drawing is ready for color. Let's start color. Light blue for sky. At first I am drawing the borderline of the sky. Now I just fill the area with little bit stroke. White for the rest area of the sky. Deep green for far away bushes. Friends, when you apply the color, you have to draw border line at first. light green for riverbank, light blue for river. So at first border line, after the border line, now I cover the area. We have to cover the area very carefully and neatly. Sap green for tree top. Now I fill the color properly. Dark brown for the trunk. Yellow ochre, orange, flesh tint. I apply flesh tint for the body color. Primary red, pink for shari, primary red, brown. We draw a border line of brown. Sap green, black glass marking pencil, cerulean blue for ribbon, red glass marking, green glass marking for grass, deep yellow, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Feel free to tell us which type of painting you need to watch in our channel. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.